want to be the ultimate badass one day. Hello, brother Kyler. What do you have to show us today on this day today?
Oh, I got a new phone from...
Speak up!
I got a new phone from Apple.
What? Is that weed?
So I got the new iPhone XR.
That just looks like a vertical line, Kyler. Are you sure you bought the right thing?
I hope so. An Apple iWatch, and I got earpods.
Skip it up and da. Is that tape? Why would they do that? Boy. So what phone is this, Kyler?
I got the iPhone XR. Green colored.
Kyler, why is there a stain on your shirt? What is that What is that? Is that excitement or?
Yeah, that was during work in the family bathroom. It comes with a charging cord. Man, when did Apple start using Type-C, Joey?
Last month.
Nice.
Are you sure this is the right phone? This does not look like an Apple phone to me.
Yeah, I'm the white version of MKBH or?
MKBHD?
Yeah, that guy. The black guy. Oh my god, it comes with a pen.
What's that?
So you can write notes on your performance of your video. Okay, let's open
Hey,
up.
review the pen, idiot.
Oh, it's nice and clicky. Should I turn on the iPad? We unbox an iPad.
Well, here, let's get a closer look at that stylus. How's that charge?
I have no idea.
Is that an X-Acto knife?
No, it's the Easy Cut 2000. This video's sponsor.
Hurry this up, man.
Yeah, please. Can we?
Abby's gonna be home soon. She's gonna beat
She needs sexual intercourse. You have to hurry this shit up.
Oh,
right
he's
now.
gonna have sexual intercourse with his girlfriend. I'm sorry, Gussie.
Wow.
I got beans.
That's a cool case. Wow.
I got beans.
Wow.
I got beans. Beans. I got beans, dude. The blood beans.
Like bling, yeah. Like bling, yeah.
They're magnetic, so if you pull one up to your stomach, it'll line up with the one inside.
How do you know?
No one else should have done.
Are you a bean fan?
I've been a fan of it.
Like blings, yeah.
My Apple Watch.
That looks awfully big for an Apple Watch, son.
This is the LED wallet cover.
Well, quick, you get it going. Start it up. You don't need a guide.
Oh, yeah, I do. I might mess it up. Break the warranty. You know how that goes.
Well, at least we have video proof. Right?
No.
Right?
It says the time on there.
Oh, it's like a digi thing. Fucking gorgeous, baby. 'Cause that's important.
Dude, look. No headphone jack.
Wait, hold on, go back.
Stinky.
So no head?
I'll give you some head.
I shit my pants.
Kyler, can you unbutton one button from your shirt? Cool. Okay, go on.
Another one?
Yep. Yep. One more?
Oh.
Oh, wow. Oh, Ian's in there. Get him out. How about one more?
If you click that like button.
Okay.
Alright, did you click it yet? Okay, you did.
Ooh. It's a good unboxing if you know what I'm saying. Ooh. Alright, well, I guess we'll see you guys on the next one. So, bye, guys.
Yeah.
Make sure.
Me and Jesse are gonna get the frick out of here.
Okay. It's a nice view. Look at that. Okay, bye. Wait a second. Wait. No, I can't be locked out. No, I can't go the other way. You gotta do. No. Kyla!